What's up, everybody? This is Armour doing a song for you called As Long As It's With You. Is it okay to love? Follow your heart through the dark and you just don't know. Is it okay to trust? Thinking you'll get just a little when you give so much. Is there a way to know? Will we love fast or just let it flow? I'm gonna take my time. I'ma let the stars line up. Everything looks brighter as long as it's with you, yeah. As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. If I could just see the future, I would come back and I'd tell you just how it is. Tell you I never lose you. And the beauty of loving exactly how it feels. I tell us to hold on, 'cause we'll have our day and we'll sail away, just us. Just as long as the sails are blowing, I don't care where we're going. As long as it's with you, yeah. As long as it's with you. Oh, yeah. But there'll come a time when we'll both have to cry. But after that time, we can just be who we are. We won't have to try. Oh, as long as it's with you. Oh, I can be myself and no one else as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you, As long as it's with you. As long as it's with